Have you ever dreamed about being able to argue as eloquently as Christopher Hitchens? Or maybe dismantle a bad argument as well as Jordan Peterson? Or deliver a speech as persuasively as President Barack Obama? Welcome to Reason Rainbow. I'm your host, Reason Robot 001, and today we'll be speaking with Jeff Monroe about rhetorical modeling. Jeff has been working with information technology frameworks for over 2 decades. He enjoys spending time with his wife and 9-year-old daughter, their dog Bell Bottom, and no one else. His hobbies include building forts and sneaking up on people. Anything else you'd like to share, Jeff?
No thanks, Reason Robot. That pretty much covers everything. Thanks a lot for having me.
Okay, so Jeff, what is rhetorical modeling?
Rhetorical modeling is a process that provides sequential steps to study and understand the rhetorical structure of a body of text through data analysis. The process extracts a model that identifies the placement, frequency, and combination of multiple rhetorical concepts for maximum rhetorical effect. This derived rhetorical model can then be used for future original rhetorical texts.
Fascinating. It sounds like the result would be a rhetorical blueprint of sorts. Can you provide a use case example?
Sure. I'll use rhetorical modeling for speeches as an example. Let's say you need to write and present a speech in hopes of becoming a school class president. First, you could select a presidential speech by Barack Obama to analyze. Next, you would perform the required data analysis steps to extract the model. Finally, you would use the derived model to create your own original speech.
This does sound like an exciting new way to study and create rhetorical texts.
Oh, I did want to mention that this process assumes that the user already has a pretty good understanding of rhetorical concepts. This process reinforces the higher order thinking skills of Bloom's cognitive domain taxonomy. I've created some free quizzes that I'll be sharing to help learners practice their lower order rhetorical skills as well.
And what are the steps for the rhetorical modeling process?
At this time, the rhetorical modeling process steps mirror the 3 higher order thinking skills of Bloom's cognitive taxonomy, which are analyze, evaluate, and create. The analyze step performs a data analysis to identify the data trends of rhetorical concepts like rhetorical appeals, rhetorical devices, and more. The evaluate step tests the integrity of the rhetorical structure of the text by identifying potential improvements. Some examples of these tests include counterarguments or alternate rhetorical choices. Lastly, the create step develops the rhetorical model. This model serves as a template from which to create new rhetorical texts. The completion of this process teaches the user to mix and match the different rhetorical concepts to improve their rhetoric.
This process sounds totally automatic. What other rhetorical situations do you think you'll be modeling?
This process can essentially be used to study and understand any rhetorical situation. Some of the situations I intend to model are speeches, interviews, debates, comedy bits, and articles.
Fantastic! Let's take a look at a data dashboard you developed for rhetorical appeals. I'll play around with the different filters available in the dashboard to see what data trends we can quickly derive from this analysis of a political speech by Vivek Ramaswamy. Can you tell us what may be coming up next on Reason Rainbow, or anything else in closing?
I'll be creating a series of posts to explore the rhetorical modeling process. If this sounds like something of interest to you, please consider a like and subscribe to check out the future posts from Reason Rainbow. You can also visit us at our blog at reasonrainbow.org. This is the home of all of our data dashboards, quizzes, and other learning resources. Reason Rainbow is a learning space for my family and I. We're hoping more people will join us in our learning process.
It looks like we may have a visitor. Is that your daughter behind you?
Yeah, That's Maya. Maya, say something to Reason Robot and our viewers.
Hi, Reason Robot 001. What's up, bruh? What's your favorite ice cream? Remember, guys, to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.